Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your moods on the Daylio application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below in the right side corner. Scroll down and click on Edit Moods. If you want to edit them, tap on the one of them and then click on Name to delete it and type in your own name. Then select the icon. You can select from these options here. Tap on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you go back, you can also change the colors. Here you can see them. And if you tap on the emojis, you can also customize them. As you can see, basically all of them are logged, marked with this crown icon, meaning that only those with a premium pack can unlock these logged packages. So if you want to add your own mood, then click on the Add Mood button down below, enter the name, select the mood color and the emoji and click on the Save button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.